Bell peppers are popular in many countries around the world for use in daily dishes because they not only bring a unique flavor to each dish, but are also very good for human health, such as improving digestion, good for the heart, and beautifying the skin. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. We will prepare a nursery pot suitable for the number of chili plants we want to grow. Add enough soil and place the seeds on top. Cover with a thin layer of soil and spray water. We need to place the nursery pot in a cool place with suitable light for photosynthesis. The seeds will germinate very easily. While waiting for the pepper seeds to sprout, I'll get my used paint buckets ready and start making planters. These 5-liter paint buckets are perfect for growing bell peppers. I will use a hot air blower to punch drainage holes to avoid waterlogging for next crop. To make watering easier later, I use plastic bottles and absorbent towels to create an automatic watering system for the plants. I used a hot blowtorch to make holes and threaded a wet towel through, half in the bottle and half outside. The water would soak in and run down to the base of the plant. After preparing all the materials for growing bell peppers, I started preparing the soil, making it loose and rich in nutrients. From the beginning, I used vermicompost. Vermicompost is rich in nutrients, has high antibacterial properties, and is environmentally friendly, so I often choose this type of compost. When I put soil in the pot, I leave about 10 centimeters of soil in the pot to avoid overflow when watering or due to natural impact. At the same time, I put a water bottle on the side and put an absorbent towel in the middle of the pot so that the water seeps to the base of the plant. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After only 5 days, the bell peppers sprouted healthily. Now I start planting them. When planting young chili plants, we need to be gentle and careful to avoid injuring the plant and affecting its growth, such as scratches, broken roots, or broken leaves. You see, my automatic watering system initiative is very convenient, right? When watering, the plants will not be eroded or flooded. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Once the plants are rooted and strong, we begin to care for them for the first time. Once the plants are strong enough to grow in the early stages, they will have great strength in the following stages. Plants are very close to my family because I take advantage of the balcony space to grow them. Therefore, choosing fertilizers is always a top priority. Fertilizers must not harm me and my family, and at the same time be rich in nutrients. In addition to fertilizing with earthworms, we need to pay attention to adding more soil to the plants. This is very necessary, helping the plants withstand the effects of weather, metabolism, and at the same time providing natural nutrients for the plants. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. When the plant flowers, it needs a lot of nutrients to grow, produce many large flowers, and produce quality peppers. I will use cereal powder mixed with water to water each plant. At this point, the tree is grown, the root system is well developed and needs moisture, so we need to add water to the pot. Bell pepper plants have soft stems, so when they produce fruit, they are under a lot of pressure. To ensure that the plants grow well and are not damaged, I use bamboo sticks to clamp them to the pot and tie them tightly with rope to hold them. Tangerine is very good at promoting flowering and fruiting. In addition, it repels insects and produces acids that are beneficial to plants. So I mix it with water and spray it on each plant. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Now the bell peppers have produced a lot of fruits with many colors. I can harvest them to improve daily dishes and give as gifts to relatives. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.